Hello guys, today we will be learning about if statements. Now, if statements are very useful. So say that, for an example, real life example, say that you wanted to buy something, and your mom wanted you to clean your room, whatever. Well, it would be like this. If you cleaned your room, then your mom would get you that thing that you wanted. That's basically how an if statement works. The layout for an if statement is if, then a condition, and followed by then. Every single if statement has an end. Every single function has an end. They're both similar. So, the condition. The condition is basically like the clean your room part in the example I showed you. But say we wanted to print hi if a is equal to 5, okay? So let's set the variable a equal to 5. If a equals 5, then print hi. And that will print hi because a is indeed equal to 5. But let's say if a equals 3, that won't print hi because a is equal to 5, not 3. As you probably see, I have two equal signs. There are approximately 4 different operators you can use. The first one is equal. That means equal to. The next one is a greater than and an equal sign. This means greater than or equal to. Then this is less than or equal to. And the next one is not equal to. So let's say if a is not equal to 3, then print hi. That will print hi because a is equal to 5, not 3. So that's a basic if statement. Now, if statements have two other things you can do with them. It's called an else and an else if. We will go over both of them. So let's give a example. Okay, a equals 5. If a equals 3, then print good job. Else print failure. End. So, okay, so that basically says if a is equal to 3, then it'll print good job. But if it's not equal to 3, it'll print failure. So, that's the basic if. Else. If statements always return true. So, if a is true, which basically a equals 3, that basically returns true. So if a is true, then print good job. Else if it is false, then it'll print failure. The next one is else if. So say that we have two values, a equals 1 and b equals 2. Okay, 3, because I accidentally typed that in. So if a equals 4, then print 4. Else if a equals 1, b equals 3, then print 3. End. That basically is just like an else statement with an if inside of it. So it's basically this. If a equals 4, 3, then print 3. Else if b equals 3, then print 3. End. That's basically what it is. It just compacts it into one simple line to save space and have readability. Do whichever you prefer, it doesn't really matter. So that's the basic if statement. They're not that complicated, and they're actually pretty useful. Well, thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.